Hello students, welcome to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting real-life applications of electricity in manufacturing. Let us consider the given data in a large assignment of electrical bulb percentage are defective. Random sample of total taken for the probability that all are good bulbs. Second one, all at most there are 3 defective bulbs and exactly are 3 defective bulbs. Okay, so what is given? The given statement, we get what? The 10% bulbs are defective. So okay, so that is nothing but we consider what? Small p equal to the number of bulbs, the number of bulbs are defective. So okay, how many percentage bulbs are defective? That is 10% bulb is defective. So we consider 10 by 100. Okay, that is equal to what? 1 by 10. Okay, so next I am going to find a q. What is how to find a q? Q is nothing but what? 1 minus p. So that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 10. That is equal to what? 10 minus 1, 9 by 100, 9 by 10. If we add p plus q, we get what? P plus q always equal to 1. Okay, and also they given random sample. Okay, 20 bulbs are they are taking for inspection, right? So we consider n. What is n? N is nothing but random sample. Okay, random sample, that is equal to how many bulbs they are taking for inspection? 20 bulbs. So these are the right. So using this data, we are going to apply what? Binomial distribution. What is binomial distribution? The binomial distribution of the given parameter n comma p, okay, is defined as what? Probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to what? Nc p power q power n minus x into n minus x. X varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. n. So here they given n p value, n value is given, right? So using p value, n value, we are going to write probability mass function, that is p of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to what? What is n value? N value is they given 20 bulbs, right? So we consider n value is 20. Okay, 20 cx. What is p value? 1 by 10 power x. Q value is what? 9 by 10 power 10 minus x. X varies from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. up to 20 bulbs. Okay, so this is our equation number 1. So using equation 1, we are going to find a given probability conditions. Okay, so what is our first probability condition? First condition is what? We are going to find probability of what? All are good bulbs, right? First one, we are going to find what? All are good bulbs, which means what? None of them are defective, which means no bulbs are a fault. Okay, all bulbs are good conditions. Okay, which means working conditions. So that we consider probability of x equal to 0. Okay, so now using equation 1, we are going to find the probability of what? All bulbs are good conditions. That means 20c. What is x value? X value is 0. Okay, here 1 by 10 power 0, 9 by 10 power 10 minus 0, 10. Okay, so if we simplify this, we know 20c 0 is nothing but what? 1, right? So if you simplify this, you get answer is 1. Anything power 0, that is also 1. So we get what? 9 by 10 power 10. Using calculator, we simplify this term. So we get final answer is what? So your final answer is 0.121. So this is nothing but what? Probability of x equal to 0, which means all bulbs are good conditions. Okay, that is nothing but what? None of them are defective. What is second condition? Second condition, we are going to find what? Probability of at most there are 3 defective bulbs, which means what? Probability of at most there are 3 what? There are 3 defective bulbs. Okay, at most there are defective bulbs. So which means what? We have to write a mathematical form, capital X. What is capital X? Capital X is nothing but number of equal to 3. At most is 3. So that means what? X less than or equal to 3, right? So maximum is 3, minimum is what? Either 0 or 1 or 2. Okay. So how to write this? So we have two methods. 1 minus probability of x greater than 3. Otherwise we consider as usual method. What is as usual method? That is nothing but what? Probability of equal to 0. Least value. Second one is x equal to 1 plus equal to 2, and last one is probability of x equal to 3. So adding all values you get final answer. What is probability of x equal to 0? That is nothing but what? 20 0 p power. What is p value? 1 by 10 power 0. What is q? 9 by 10 power what? 20 minus x. So that is 20 minus 0 plus second one. Second one 2c1 1 by power 1 9 by 10 power 20 minus 1 we okay. Third one is 2c2 by 10 power 2 9 by 10 power 18, okay, plus what is next one? Last one is okay, what is last one? 20c3 1 by 10 power 3 9 by 10 power what? 20 minus 3 17. If you simplify this we get final answer. We get the final answer is 0.8 triple. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Probability of x less than or equal to 3. That means at most there are 3 bulbs are defective. Okay, what is next? Next question, we are going to find a what? Probability exactly 3 bulbs are defective. Okay, that means what? Probability exactly are 3 defective bulbs. Exactly are 3 defective bulbs. Okay, that is equal to what? The probability of x equal to 3. So using equation 1, that means binomial distribution, we get 23 p value 1 power x value is 3. Second one 9 by 10. This is nothing but q value is what? Q into n minus x. N value 20 minus 3. Okay, so that is equal to 20c3 1 by power 3. Here we get 9 by 10 power 17. So using calculation, simplify this term, we get the final answer is 0.19. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Probability of x equal to 3. Otherwise it is what? Probability of exactly r. Okay, this is what? Probability of x equal to 3. Otherwise it is called what? Probability of exactly are 3 defective bulbs, right? So I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.